uniformly most powerful tests. It is already explained that the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is really a false is known as the power of the test. So a test is uniformly most powerful test of size alpha if it has the two situations. One, it has a really size of alpha, and second thing is that among all the tests of size less than or equal to alpha, it has the greatest power of all alternative values of theta. The term uniformly actually refers to all possible values of the alternative for theta. It is important to note that the uniformly most powerful test does not exist in every situation, but if they exist, then it gives the maximum chance of rejecting the null hypothesis. Although we use the Neyman-Pearson's lemma for deriving the best hypothesis test for testing the simple hypothesis versus the simple hypothesis, but in fact we are interested in testing the simple hypothesis versus the composite alternative hypothesis. The Neyman-Pearson's lemma can be used for the composite alternative hypothesis as well. Now we state the definition of the uniformly most powerful test. The definition is that the critical region C is the uniformly most powerful region of size alpha for testing the simple hypothesis against an alternative composite hypothesis if the set C is the best critical region of size alpha for testing H naught against each simple hypothesis in H1. The test defined by the critical region C is called the uniformly most powerful test with the significance level alpha for testing the simple hypothesis versus the alternative composite hypothesis H1.